Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for high school placement tests. First, research the specific test your desired high school uses. These tests typically cover subjects like math, English, and reading comprehension, often lasting 2 to 3 hours. Understanding the format and content is crucial for effective preparation. Knowing the scoring system will also help you set realistic goals and focus your study efforts on areas with higher weight. Next, develop a structured study schedule. Allocate specific times for each subject, perhaps 3 to 5 days a week, for 1 to 2 hours per session. Break down larger topics into smaller, manageable chunks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Regularly incorporate practice tests into your routine. This helps you track progress and pinpoint areas needing more attention. Consistency is key to building knowledge and confidence over time. To truly master the material, employ effective study strategies. For math, review fundamental concepts like algebra and geometry. Practice reading comprehension by analyzing diverse texts and answering questions under timed conditions. Dedicate time to enhancing your vocabulary and grammar skills through targeted exercises. Utilize official study guides and reputable online resources. These often provide accurate practice materials and insights into common test questions, boosting your readiness. Finally, prepare for test day itself. Ensure you get at least 8 hours of sleep the night before to be well rested and alert. Eat a nutritious breakfast to maintain focus and energy throughout the exam. Arrive at the test center early to avoid any last-minute rush and reduce stress. Remember to bring all necessary materials, such as 2 or 3 sharpened pencils, an eraser, and an approved calculator if permitted, to ensure a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.